Thank you for calling BTEC Hotel. This is Ayasa Angela. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to reserve a room, please.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your name, please?
My name is Angela Idago.
Thank you, Miss Angela Idago. For what date would you like to check in? And how many nights will you be staying?
I'd like to check in on September 24 for 2 nights.
September 24 and stay for 2 nights. Okay, understood. How many guests will be staying?
For 2 only.
2. Thank you. We have room type standard, deluxe, suite available at 500k per night, inclusive of breakfast. Would you like me to book that for you?
Yes, please. I take the deluxe room.
Great choice. May I have your contact number or email address to confirm the reservation?
Sure, my number is your 91234567889 and my email is angelaidago@gmail.com.
Thank you. How would you like to settle your bill? Is it cash or credit card?
I'll prefer for cash.
Thank you, Miss Angela Idago. Reservation is confirmed. For a deluxe room, check-in on September 24, 2 nights for 2 persons. Would you like to request anything special, such as a non-smoking room or room with a view?
Yes, if possible, a non-smoking room.
Of course, I'll note that. Your reservation is now confirmed. We look forward to welcoming you to BTEC Hotel.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Have a great day.